money, Mr. President?
Yes, pero galing sa akin. Hindi na private money. Kasi natanggap ko yan. Ano na ako nakahawak ko na the money I was holding was already when I was in the official na ako.
But in accordance with the rule of COMELEC, yung excess money po na ginagamit po natin sa kampanya must be returned back to the COMELEC, Mr. Chair, to the donors, Mr.
Maniwala
President.
ka yung...
Hindi, yun po sinasabi ng COMELEC, Mr. President. And yun po yung
ka sa
batas
COMELEC.
na atin po dapat sundin.
Tanungin kita, sinong kandidato nagsauli?
Mr. President, you cannot ask question. We will be the one asking question.
That's why I said,
Kasi po kami po, pag nakakatanggap
because
po,
it
Mr. President, I
is
still have the floor.
incongruous.
Mr. President, kasi po ako pag nakakatanggap, kakaunti lang po yung nabibigay sa ating donation. So kulang na kulang pa po. And we believe that you have mentioned that excess money was utilized for the